Hey everyone! Welcome back to OneStopScience, your go-to channel for all things celestial and beyond. Ever wondered what it would be like if the moon suddenly shrank? Imagine looking up at the night sky and seeing a moon that's just a bit smaller than usual. Well, you're in for a treat this weekend. Get ready to witness a fascinating phenomenon that doesn't happen every day. This Saturday night, April 12, 2025, we'll witness a rare celestial event known as a micromoon. Mark your calendars because this is something you won't want to miss. So what is a micromoon? It's a term that might sound new to many of you, but it's quite simple to understand. It's when the full moon appears slightly smaller and dimmer because it's at its farthest point from Earth. This point is known as the apogee. Imagine the moon, but just a tiny bit less grand. It's like seeing a familiar friend from a distance. It might be hard to notice with the naked eye, but trust me, it's happening. The changes are subtle, yet significant for those who love stargazing. You might be thinking, why should I care? What's the big deal about a slightly smaller moon? Well, let me tell you, it's not every day that we get to see the moon at its farthest distance from us. This is a unique opportunity to observe the moon in a different light. This is a great chance to appreciate the subtle differences in our night sky. It's these small changes that make our universe so fascinating. To catch the best view of the micromoon, find a spot with an unobstructed view of the sky. The clearer your view, the better your experience will be. Away from city lights works best. Light pollution can really diminish the beauty of such events. Look up and there it is. A celestial wonder right above you. A slightly smaller, slightly dimmer full moon. It's a subtle yet beautiful sight. It's like the moon's on a diet, shedding just a bit of its usual brilliance. But don't worry, it's still the same moon we all love. We've got some stunning visuals to share with you. These images capture the moon in all its glory. Check out this full moon rising above the clouds at sunset in Lisbon, captured by Armando Franca. Isn't it mesmerizing? And here's the flower moon rising behind the majestic temple of Poseidon in Greece by Petros Giannakouros. Aren't they breathtaking? These moments remind us of the beauty that surrounds us. But that's not all. There's more lunar magic to look forward to this year. 2025 is packed with lunar events. It's a year full of celestial wonders. Another micromoon is coming up in May. So if you miss this one, you'll have another chance soon. And then, get ready for 3 supermoons in October, November, and December. These supermoons will be a sight to behold. These supermoons will appear larger and brighter as the moon comes closer to Earth. It's the exact opposite of a micromoon. And who could forget the total lunar eclipse we had in March where the moon turned a reddish copper color? That was truly a sight to remember. So much lunar magic this year. Each event offers a unique way to connect with our night sky. So mark your calendars for Saturday night and don't miss this rare opportunity to see the micromoon. It's a small but significant event. It's a subtle change, but it's moments like these that make us stop and appreciate the wonders of our universe. Take a moment to look up and marvel at the night sky. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to One Stop Science for more exciting science revelations. Your support helps us bring you more amazing content. Thanks for watching and keep looking up. Until next time, happy stargazing.